Okay, so this is how I organize my fridge. I get these condiment containers from Walmart for about 95 cents a piece, and I use my label maker to label all of them. And it's really, handy for things like mustard and mayo when I'm making sandwiches for my husband for the day. And also, we do all OXO containers, OXO Green Saver containers for all of our fruits and vegetables. It really keeps everything contained, and I find that they work really well as long as you keep up with the carbon, these little carbon pouches you have to put in them. We also do meal prep for our lizard. But something else that is really handy is I get these containers from Walmart for $1, and I can put meat in them, and it's just easier to grab versus using the package they come in. Also, I find that these egg containers, I got them at TJ Maxx, also very convenient, so I'm not reaching into a dark cardboard carton wondering how many I have left. I can visually see how many I have left.